Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back once again for another edition of a road review. Beautiful day today, 84 degrees, really no humidity, a little bit of a breeze going. Really nice day except for the fact that I just paid $5.10 a gallon for premium. Up again. Anyway, this is New Light Road. This is the northwest section of Wake Forest, North Carolina. Pretty popular area for riding back here. We got some nice roads. This is part of the camping and hiking section of the lake. Check out this property on the right. Boy, I'd love to have that. Really nice. Out today on the 1250 GS Adventure. Try and mix it up a little bit. So all these cars parked up on the side of the road here ahead. There's a beach area to my right. People are in there partying and grilling and swimming and fishing all the time. It's kind of busy on the weekend. A lot of boat traffic out there today. If you could see back that way with the 360 camera, I'll try and get it, but that's where that beach area was. The speed limit here is surprisingly 55 miles an hour for this very short section. The New Light Road runs from Highway 98 all the way up into Granville County. Only going to do a small portion of it today. Another entrance to the lake, Harley Point Campground. I'm going to try and get in there pretty soon and do some tent camping. I think that might have been where Wind Road Therapy stayed last year, the Harley Point Campground. There's a bunch of them around here. And just as soon as we get into 55 miles an hour, it's dialed back again to 45. Got some nice twists and turns along the way. And we're going to turn on to Old Weaver Trail right here. Nice rig. Wow. That was a hell of a bass boat. Ooh. So Old Weaver Trail's got some really nice curves. Ooh, land for sale. Be nice to have a piece of property up this way. One of the nice parts about this road, if I can get down there today, especially on this bike, looks like it's going to be kind of crowded down there today. That looks like a lot of work. Stand-up paddleboard. Pretty cool. A lot of people down here today. Unfortunately, I cannot make it all the way across. We'll go to that side in a minute. That's a nice view. Nice day to be paddleboarding. That gravel's a little bit too big for my liking. Glad I got the factory low suspension. It's still pretty tall. Way out of here. Take this one. Let's go to the other side where it may not be as crowded. Water, road closed ahead. That's no lie. Well, we got some people down here. Not nearly as crowded. But it is Sunday today, so this is no surprise. Nice. This really is a good place to launch a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard. I've got to keep that in mind. A bunch of them out there today. This would be a nice place to come during the week when there's nobody around. Especially if it's not too hot. Set up a chair, bring some lunch. Alright, let's continue down Old Weaver Trail. So Old Weaver Trail is a few miles long. It runs from New Light Road on the east side to Highway 50, Creedmoor Road on the west side. One of my favorite houses here on the lift. Up that way, nice piece of property. It's like an old family farm. Yeah, I wouldn't mind having that either. Less house, more land. That's the way to go. Alright, we are coming to the end of Old Weaver Trail. This traffic light is Highway 50, Creedmoor Road. I'm going to wind it up here. So, thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And I will see you the next time.